Gĩikaro-inĩ mbere ya mbunge ya Senate, Minista wa UKUI na waki wa barabara Davis Chirchir ayanĩte mũtaratara wa gũthondeka mawatho ma kũramata ũigĩrĩrĩki barabara-inĩ kiumia kĩmwe kuma igoti rĩa teanĩria ũhũthĩri wa kamera cia thibidi barabara-inĩ itiganĩte. Mawatho-inĩ marĩa marateanĩirio nĩ igoti NTSA rĩendekithĩtie thibidi ya gatagatĩ ka 80 na 110 ikĩro-inĩ itiganĩte cia barabara gwata mawatho mangĩ marĩa mararĩ makinyanĩrio kamera ikĩhũthĩka. Rĩu Minista Chirchir akiuga kũrĩ na honge ngũrani iria iragacĩrithia mawatho maya.
The 2016 speed limits expired and I'm in the house with our new CEO for NTSA, and I'm advised that there's a lot of work being done by NTSA currently, engaging stakeholders and standards body, reviewing the speed limit regulations and standards, and we are working on that to ensure that we do update and ensure that the speed limit regulations are in place.
Chirchir orĩtie Kenya mahĩmbĩrie mawatho maya arĩ ikinya rĩa mbere rĩa kũhĩtana na namba ya ikuũ ĩrĩa thiĩte na mbere kuongerereka barabara-inĩ. No na gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ agwetete wagi wa bajeti ta kĩhĩngĩca kĩnene kĩa ũkinyanĩria wa mawatho maya.
The ministry set up a multi-agency team to conduct urgent road safety audits on accident-prone highway sections. The teams are tasked with reconstructing crash scenes and identifying hazardous design features or missing safety in infrastructure for action.
Hidene rĩu kĩũria gĩa gĩtũmi gĩa barabara gũthũkanga kumana na mbura ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere nĩkĩgagairie gĩikaro gĩkĩ Senator wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna akĩenda kũmenya ũrĩa kĩgĩna kĩa mũigana wa bilioni 9 kĩahũthĩkire kũgacĩrithia barabara ya Mombasa Road.
Before you address issues of beautification and street lights, we want a solid plan on how to drain water on Mombasa Road. And secondly, Honorable Speaker, he has not addressed himself to the question of the 9 billion that had already been given to the previous contractor who we were told, Speaker, is a company associated with one member of parliament here. We want to be told he was given a tender to repair the damage that was done. Honorable Speaker, the damage that was done during construction of the expressway, there was money that was allocated for that, and it has not been done.
Yes, we have a major contractor picking up JKIA Road, JKIA to ABC Place. We are redesigning, we're running a beautification program on this particular road, which will address all the drainages. It's a major project that has just started. In fact, it just started in the last 2 weeks. Let me confirm. There is a contractor, CRBC, a major contractor in this country, who are undertaking major works on this particular road, including beautification of this particular road, lighting, beautiful gardens, but more importantly, drainages that can offtake the amount of water.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndũng'ũ.